You try to be the enemy, but you never place that person in a fantasy. So I say, I'm busy, and my seat is always on the juniper tree of wisdom. You never be the enemy. And you was in a fire, but I tried the things